Welcome knitters! Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to work the long tail cast on using the Continental knitting method. One of my fans asked me to do this video and I'm happy to make it a reality. So I'm going to be using some of my favorite yarn, which is Nepal by Drops, and what I like about it is the quality is very consistent. It's an all natural wool and alpaca blend. It's a very reasonably priced yarn. And they never discontinue their yarn, so this has been around for many years and it will still be a color that's available many years from now, hopefully. Let's get right into it. Now let's see. I like to start with the thread inside the ball. Let's see, sometimes it comes out in a big clump. Now when you cast on, it's going to use up a lot of this loose end. So I'm going to give myself a good amount of length before I start. And I just rest the yarn over my two fingers and I kind of grab the two strands like this. And then I take a knitting needle. This is worsted weight yarn, so I'm using US size 8 knitting needles. And the cast on works like this. You go under and then you pick this one up. And then you scoop the third loop, and the first time you do it, you're going to have 2 loops. But every other time, you're just going to make 1 loop. And from here, after you initially do the start, you only pick up 2 threads. So you're going under this one by your thumb and over that one by your index finger. And then you just tighten it. Not too tight, just a reasonable amount. Under and then over and pull it through. Under and then over and pull it through. Now let's back up and do it all over again. So how you start is you go under this one here, the one between your thumb and index finger, and then you go under the one by your thumb and over the one by your index finger. Pull it tight and it creates 2. And now you're good to go. And continue casting on as many as you need, going under the one by the thumb and over the one by the index finger. And what's cool about this one, this cast on method, is it's actually very fast. And I love it for that reason, that you can cast on a bunch of stitches very, very quickly. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's no wrong way to knit. If it works for you, then that's the right way.